17th, 2023. I'm waiting for the buses to come right now. So, it's been waiting since 10 o'clock last night. Yeah, standing, waiting on it to come. I have not had sleep in like 72 hours. It's like 3 days. Really don't want to be seen on camera because I look on it. You have to have these clothes on. I washed these. I was at that shelter place the other day. This shelter place the other day. I know I'm mumbling because I'm tired, but yeah, because my car had gotten towed and I didn't know it, and so I had to all this week go on a journey to try to find it. And I'm sure Daniel and he's probably dead, and all the food is spoiled and all the tanks need to be empty. So I'm hoping that it was just to not give me issues today, because I'm already having to take all these buses and walk all these miles and other stuff. Yesterday I had to walk to the hospital and get my knee checked out and stuff. So mislacked. Then of course PM showed up, and so then I left so that I could already be where I need to be to do what I have to do. So that's that. So I haven't been documenting this stuff since last Saturday when this whole P3 craziness started in the first place. And so I just haven't had time, because it's one thing and another one, and I still haven't gotten my stuff back yet. So, praying that that it's done and I get it. I'm just praying for less demonic activities with things, because I'm exhausted, tired, don't feel like arguing, just want to get it over with. Yeah, so that's it.